गुड मॉर्निंग स्टुडंट. आज आपल्याला अँग्युलर एसएचएम अँड इट्स डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन पाहायचे आहे. अँग्युलर एसएचएम अँड इट्स डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन. This is a rigid support. Metallic wire. Metallic disc. Figure 1. Angular or torsional oscillation. Figure 1 shows a metallic disc. One end of metallic wire is attached to center of metallic disc and other end of metallic wire is attached to rigid support. Then we have to define angular or torsional oscillation. If the disc is slightly twisted about the axis along the wire and released, it performs rotational motion. Partly in clockwise or anti-clockwise. Sense or direction of sense is called angular oscillation or torsional oscillation. Definition of angular oscillation or torsional oscillation: if the disc is slightly twisted about the axis along the wire and it released, it performs rotational motion partly in clockwise and anti-clockwise sense is called as torsional oscillation or angular oscillation. मेटॅलिक डिस्क म्हणजे धातूची वर्तुळाकार चकती, त्याला मराठीमध्ये म्हणता येईल. This rotational motion is governed by restoring torque in the wire. The restoring torque is always opposite direction of angular displacement. Then for angular SHM, the restoring torque is directly proportional to angular displacement. Angular acceleration it is denoted by alpha, and angular displacement it is denoted by theta. The restoring torque is directly proportional to angular displacement. Write right as restoring torque is directly proportional to angular displacement. Torque is equal to minus c into theta, where c is the constant of proportionality. From this equation, c is equal to minus 2 by theta. From this, the constant of proportionality c is the restoring torque per unit angular displacement. Let I is the moment of inertia of a body, and alpha is the angular acceleration. Then torque acting on the body is given by torque 2 is equal to I into alpha. Equation number 2. Put equation 2 in equation 1, we get. Put equation 2 in equation 1, we get torque I alpha is equal to minus into c theta. Alpha is equal to minus c into theta. But we know alpha is equal to, alpha is the angular acceleration. Angular acceleration. Angular acceleration is the time rate of angular velocity, means du omega divided by dt. Angular acceleration is defined as a angular velocity per unit time, and omega angular velocity it is defined as the time rate of angular displacement, or angular velocity is defined as the angular displacement per unit time. Put omega is equal to, in above equation, alpha is equal to d by dt of omega is d theta by dt. Alpha is equal to d square theta divided by dt square. Equation number 3. Put equation 3 in equation 2 we get I alpha is equal to minus c into theta. I into alpha is d square theta divided by dt square is equal to minus c theta. I into d square theta divided by dt square is equal to minus c into theta. Minus c theta left side आ गया. I into d square theta divided by dt square is plus c theta is equal to 0. This is the differential equation of angular SHM. From this equation we have that I into d square theta divided by dt square is equal to minus c into theta. I into d square theta divided by dt square is equal to I divided by c theta क्या minus c theta divided by I. As constant of possibility c and moment of inertia I are constant, then we have write as, we know alpha is equal to d square theta divided by dt square, alpha is equal to minus c theta divided by I. Alpha is directly proportional to minus c theta. The angular acceleration is directly proportional to angular displacement. The angular acceleration and angular displacement are oppositely directed. Then we have to define angular SHM. Angular SHM is defined as an oscillatory motion in which torque or angular acceleration is directly proportional to angular displacement. And its direction is opposite to that of angular displacement. घेतलेली आहे. angular SHM is defined as it is the accelerated motion in which torque or angular acceleration is directly proportional to angular displacement and direction of is opposite to that of angular displacement. We know the period of angular SHM. Period T is equal to 2 pi divided by omega. T is equal to 2 pi divided by omega is square root of angular acceleration per unit angular displacement. So this is the period of angular SHM. परत एकदा डेफिनेशन angular SHM ची पहा. Angular SHM is defined as is an oscillatory motion in which torque and angular acceleration is directly proportional to angular displacement and its direction is opposite to that of angular displacement. तर आपण पुढचा पॉइंट उद्या पाहू.
डबल केलं का